It is fun to powder, ma'am.
They're not fair for that.
I welcome you to the grand finale of Night and Day, which is the first of its kind kids pageant. Kanga Training India and Bloggers Meet Info have come together to create a platform for kids where winning, that was much needed, where winning and losing are not primary. Pooja not only makes it fun and energetic, it makes something that every mom looks forward to. She trains moms across India and also trains them to become Kanga trainers. She's a trained dancer, and that's the secret of her fitness. She's the founder of all awards, Mrs. Mommy, Kangathon, Papthon and Kanga Fest. Additionally, there's a little secret about this beautiful mommy. She's also a lawyer by profession. Please give a round of applause, a huge one for Pooja Jamaica.
So hi, how's everyone? I love saying this. How's the Josh? All the kids. Yeah. So thank you. And so about like 6 months back, I thought of I was doing something for the moms, and the idea just came to my mind that why not something for the kids as well. And I wanted to create a platform. And to my good luck, Shreya came. And we just spoke about it, and I'm glad that she partnered up with me in doing this. And it's been a fabulous journey since we started planning, executing, and it's finally happening. So I'm really thankful to you, to the whole, the idea behind it, and all the lovely judges here. And most important, all the cutie that you're going to see right now on screen. So they are the backbone. Otherwise, what is the pageant? It's because of these lovely kids that we are doing this pageant. Thank you.
Hello. Good evening. I am Pooja Manas and I am 5 years old. Oh my God, she's all set to go. I love China, Hong Kong. Mama, we can't see. Cambodia, South Korea.
Ma'am, we can't see the cards properly. Yes.
Yeah.
Perfect. Thank you.
Bhutan, North Korea, Mongolia, Pakistan, Saudi Arabia, Bangladesh, Syria, Maldives, Malaysia, China, Vietnam, Nepal, Lebanon, Sri Lanka, Thailand, Bhutan, Scotland, Indonesia, Wales, Islam, Portugal, Romania, Germany, Russia, Sweden, Turkey, Spain, Vatican City, Switzerland, Denmark, Italy, Belgium.
Aditi, would you like to ask her the question?
What do I ask her? She knows everything it seems. Adi, tell me, what do you do the whole day? क्या करते हो? What do you do? Hello, can you hear me?
Meera, can you hear us? Give me a thumbs up.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Okay. So Aditi ma'am wants to know what do you do all day?
And any good deed that you do in the whole day? Something nice, something peaceful, something good. Yes, tell me.
Meera, can you repeat that? We couldn't hear you properly.
Oh, painting. Okay. But any good deed that you do the whole day?
Did you do something nice today for someone?
Something that
Let me ask you some country capitals. India, United States, China, South Korea, North Korea, Mongolia, Barbados, Syria, Paraguay, Ecuador, Uruguay, Finland, Tajikistan, New Zealand, Portugal, Switzerland, Sweden, Iceland, Hungary, Greece, Kenya, Turkey, Philippines, Ethiopia, Venezuela, Argentina, Denmark, Cyprus, Colombia, Jamaica, Libya, Zimbabwe, Thailand, Serbia, Netherlands, United Kingdom, Japan, France, Italy, Germany, Russia, Australia, Canada, Nepal, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Spain, Austria, Bangladesh, Malaysia, Bulgaria, Madagascar, Bhutan, Botswana, Costa Rica, Ireland, Indonesia, Saudi Arabia. Okay, let me ask you some state capitals. Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Orissa, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, Tripura, Sikkim, Goa, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Bihar, Haryana, Andaman and Nicobar Island. Thank you. That's all.
Wow, that calls for a round of applause. Amazing, Lohitaksh. That was really good. Judges?
I think I have to go back to school after seeing you.
Yeah, we're all getting forms for night schools. We need it. Will you teach us, Lohitaksh?
Okay, what does her name mean?
Smiley needs no introduction. We've all seen her. We've seen her create magic on screen. And her vivaciousness and versatility speaks for itself. She's a talented model and actress, and we welcome you, Smiley. Thank you so much for being here. We have a token of appreciation that Pooja would like to hand over to you.
I love these tokens.
I hope you enjoy it too. Moving on, over 16 years of theatre and cinema, and you will be amazed at her passion and acting skills. Popularly known as Saloni Deshmukh in the TV serial Laksh, Aditi Sarandhar is simply outstanding with her work. It's an honor to have you amongst us, Aditi. Thank you for joining us. Her Instagram feed will make you keep scrolling, and you will be in awe of her many skills, right from being a foodie to being a fitness enthusiast to being an influencer. Shweta Rohira is definitely a jack as well as master of all trades. Welcome Shweta to our grand finale, and we are so happy. She's an actress as well. Is there anything you don't do, Shweta? Exactly.
Hi, and thank you so much for having me here, Smiley Suki. I've been an actor, I'm still an actor, over the past few months, the only things I've done in this lockdown is chadu katka and dog walking. Because in which I lost weight. Shweta here is a very good friend and has been an inspiration. All you people are an inspiration. I'm here because of Pooja and the drive that this girl has, and we go back a long way. I have a pole dancing school called Pole Star India where I teach pole dancing and I try to empower women. I went abroad and I trained, and we're going to do a workshop here very soon. I also did something where you don't have to wear skimpy clothes, you can wear full salwar and be fully clad, because I have silicone poles. Shweta did that workshop and she didn't leave the pole. If I bring a pole here, Shweta will not leave that poll. So when we have the event, you will realize and see what I'm saying. I just feel this is a great initiative, and you guys, dude, this is history. I mean, like, please give them a big round of applause. Esora and both of y'all together to make this happen. I really feel, they say behind every successful man there is a woman, but I do feel behind every successful woman there are women only. So, I mean, hats off to both of y'all, all you women. We must empower each other. I do feel very sad for children, for them to have to grow up like this. And we didn't grow up like this. So we were just discussing how that connect is not there, and they're so talented, they're so good, yeah. I know we were discussing we need to start some night school or something, yeah. I'm ready if you are going to start someone start something, I'm ready to join. And learn all these capitals and states and GK school and memory, listing the memory. All of us need to do that. It's very important in today's day and age. Having said that, I also empower and teach women through pole because I did go through depression. So mental health and getting that mind working, fighting things like Alzheimer's, depression, and feeling good, getting all, the adrenaline rush and dopamine going. This is a great opportunity, and I wish we had these kids here, man. And I hope that day comes soon.
That will happen soon.
Yeah, hope
It's in the pipeline. It will happen soon.
And thank you both of you.
Our pleasure.
God
It's our
bless you.
pleasure.
God bless
Thank you so much, Smiley, for those kind words.
First of all, am I audible? No. Okay. I'm pretty loud, so I think I will be able to hear. Good evening, everyone. I think this is a fabulous scene. First of all, to see all of us out and about, and the pandemic, what it did to us and what it's doing to us now is incredible. So, first of all, good evening, and you judges look wonderful. How pretty. The sarees are beautiful. You are nailing the saree. Also, soap came about during the pandemic, and it was long due. I've always wanted to do something like that, and it just came up. And I thought it probably could be a hobby, but it grew on me. And soap was born on November 4th, and I have this fabulous woman here. She's been always there. She's really hardworking, very supportive, and yes. When Sabia said that community over competition, she means that. So, big round of applause to her. And this fabulous setup, this pretty lady here, I don't want to say anything about her because there's nothing much to say. Do you not do anything else? Like, save the bath thing for me, okay?
I'm pretty sure she's thinking about it next. In the back of her mind.
And this setup, this contest, it's so amazing. It's so amazing. I have no words actually. The screen, and you have people from all over, kids from all over. What a
Yes, the kids are from across India.
It's
Actually, none of them are from Mumbai.
Exactly. I know this because of the preliminary rounds. It's fantastic. It's a fabulous job, and it's the least to begin with, just a stepping stone. Let's get ahead and
Indeed.
Let's take this 10 steps ahead. So wish you all the luck, and all you participants, all the best. I think just have fun. That's what matters the most. So have fun, everybody, and yay for soap! Yay!
Thank you, Rashi. That was lovely. So moving on, we would like to get our third.
Good evening, everyone, and a warm welcome to all of you from the team Esora. Shreya just introduced me saying that I've been kind enough and all of that. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. शादी के side effects है. Nothing else. Okay, so.
I wanted you to say that.
Anyway, having said that, just a little information on Esora. Esora is otherwise fine dine looking space, but it's a fun, casual dining space. We do a lot of, we're quite popular among the youngsters because we've got an amphitheater kind of a seating, and we've got 2 big screens, so matches and movies and all of it is a lot of fun. On Wednesday nights, we've got karaoke here. On Friday night, we've got live bands. And on Sunday, we've got comedy, stand-up comedy. So it's a fun place, and obviously there are a lot. We're quite favorite among the corporates. Please do come, and on top of it, we serve awesome food and beverages. And so
I can vouch for.
Esora has got a very lyrical tone to it, like how you say K Sara Sara, so Esora. Esora is actually a painting in the sky, and we're trying to paint your sky as beautiful as we can. So thank you, and have a wonderful evening. Please enjoy the hospitality, and a big round of applause to all the judges, the jury, and obviously Shreya and Pooja. Good job.
I think that's it. That's all you should say about Pooja.
I really want to say something.
Only she keep Pragati there.
So I know Pooja from very long ago. She's a really enterprising and a very lovely girl. And I think Pooja must have done some great deeds in this life and a past life to get Amit, who is like my brother from another mother.
Thank you.
And he is as wonderful and as beautiful as his bikes. And this place, I think it's an extension of his love and his passion for the arts and his love for his wife, and it shows.
Absolutely. That's why I wanted to tell you that. Say a few more words.
A few more words. So we are going to be having a pole dancing, like a workshop and class. So we are going to take this opportunity to promote Pole Star India. Thanks for Amit and Priya.
In fact, it's perfect, isn't it?
Yeah, man. We have amphitheater. We perform. We like a woman's day.
Let's do it.
Yeah, thank you.
Collaborations
Huh?
going on.
Done.
Chalo, thank you so much,
Brilliant.
guys.
Thank you so much, Amit.
Hello everyone, I'm Shreya Wathan. I'm the founder of Bloggers Meet Info. I am an entrepreneur. I am a lifestyle and parenting influencer, and I have teamed up with Ganga Training India. The founder is Pooja Jambodkar, who's right here, and we've come up with a unique, one-of-its-kind talent show which we conducted online. The name of the talent show is Knight and Dame, and we have our winners after 1 month of practice, after 1 month of semi-finals and activities that we conducted for them. And the talent was not just limited to singing and dancing. We had kids from across India who showcase their talents when it comes to piano playing, when it comes to chess, Rubik's Cube, hula hoop. So we had different kind of talent being displayed, and 2 of them have won the title of Knight and Dame for the year 2020 and 21. And now my partner Pooja will take over and she'll tell you all.
Namaste, hi, I'm Pooja Jambodkar. I am being Mrs. India and Mrs. Asia International. And this was a dream that I wanted to do a pageant for the kids, because I know pageant का कितना महत्व होता है. मैंने participate किया तो बहुत मजा आई थी. So I wanted to give the similar experience to the kids, and to my rescue came Shreya, and we could team up and make this pageant happen. ऐसे difficult times में भी we did it online, and we had fabulous support from all our mummy blogger friends and of course our husbands and
Huge community that came to help us in this.
So it's been a wonderful experience of doing it online. Next year, I'm sure it's going to be much bigger.
Absolutely.
And we're going to do it offline for sure.
And a special mention to Esora, who were our venue partner, who gave us this beautiful venue to conduct our finale. We couldn't have been more happy about it. All the sponsors, all the partners that took the time, effort, and made it possible. I mean, I really want to thank them from the bottom of my heart. And stay tuned, we are not going anywhere. We're going to be back soon with an offline event, grander than this.
Yes, for sure. And I'm just getting emotional saying this, but I feel very happy, blessed that we could pull this off, and we did this event. And a big thank you to all the sponsors, big thank you to Shreya, big thank you to Birla Open Minds for being our educational partner, without which we couldn't have got all the lovely talented kids. And a biggest thank you to the lovely kids and parents, because of whom the pageant could actually take place.
Absolutely. Thank you so much.
आज इस इवेंट को लेकर और क्या डिफरेंट लगा आपके बाकी
हाय मैं अदिति सारंगकर पिछले कई सालों से मराठी फिल्म थिएटर और टेलीविजन का काफ़ी सारे इवेंट्स अटेंड कर चुकी, लेकिन आज का जो इवेंट था वो मेरे नॉट द एक्टर इन मी who attended, but the mother in me who attended this event, because I have 4 kids और यहाँ सब बच्चों के एक्टिविटीज देखकर ऐसा लगा कि सीखना बाकी है, बहुत कुछ जानना बाकी है। दे वे अहेड यार, 5 साल की उम्र में, 6 साल की उम्र में उनके आधा भी मुझे मालूम नहीं था। हम लोग बस चड्डी पहन के मड़ में खेलने निकल जाते थे। बहुत अच्छा लगा। आई वांट टू कांग्रेचुलेट द पेरेंट्स ऑल्सो। इतनी छोटी उम्र में, स्पेशली आफ्टर द लॉकडाउन, जहाँ पर टीचर स्टूडेंट कनेक्ट नहीं है या फिर बच्चों को आउटसाइड एक्टिविटीज रिस्ट्रिक्टेड है, ऐसे टाइम पे बहुत हार्ड वर्क करके अपने बच्चों को इतना टाइम देकर काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें सिखाई है। सो हैट्स ऑफ टू देम एंड ऑफ कोर्स कांग्रेचुलेट टू द टीम कि इन्होंने ये कॉन्सेप्ट अपने सामने लाया। पूजा it takes a lot to do something for the kids after the pandemic, online इवेंट इस तरह से ऑर्गेनाइज करना एंड इतनी लार्ज स्केल पे लोगों को बुलाकर, पार्टिसिपेंट्स को बुलाकर उनको ट्रेनिंग देना एंड एक लाइव इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइज करना, इट टेक्स लॉट। सो हैट्स ऑफ टू द टीम एंड ऑफ कोर्स आई एम हैप्पी बीइंग पार्ट ऑफ इट। जजिंग द इवेंट नहीं बोल सकती, एनकरेजिंग द किड्स बोल सकती हूँ, बिकॉज आई एम नो वन टू जज द किड्स themselves are so talented. मैंने जो सुनी तो जो एक्टिविटीज़ करने थे उनको बढ़ावा देने की कोशिश की। सब लोग को अच्छा लगा, बहुत अच्छा लगा। कुछ लोगों को थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा, जो थोड़ी ज़्यादा थोड़ा सा कम अच्छा किया। और लोगों को और इंकरेजमेंट देने के लिए हमने कहा कि येस फॉर नेक्स्ट टाइम। विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर हैविंग मी।
Hi, I'm Shraddha Gurija and I really enjoyed being here for Nights and Day. मतलब इन बच्चों को देख के ऐसे लग रहा था कि बहुत चीज़ें अभी करनी बाकी है और 5 साल के हो या 11 साल के, जिस तरह उन्होंने हर एक बच्चे का एक अलग यूनिक टैलेंट था और उसके बाद ऐसे लग रहा था कितना और करना बाकी है लाइफ में। और ये इवेंट के थ्रू आई थिंक हर पेरेंट अपने बच्चों को और ज़्यादा मोटिवेट करेगा। बहुत मज़ा आया यहाँ रह के एंड आई थिंक पूजा और श्रेया जो ये इवेंट कर रहे हैं और जिसका ये सब स्पॉन्सर्स आए हैं उनको सपोर्ट करने के लिए, आई थिंक हम सबको ऐसे सपोर्ट करना चाहिए ताकि बच्चे अपने टैलेंट दिखा सकें।
कुछ मैसेज देना चाहोगे जनरेशन के लिए?
कॉम्पिटिशन है बट जीतना इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है। आपका जो टैलेंट है उस पर काम कीजिए और अगर आप शिद्दत से काम करेंगे तो आगे तो कला करेंगे।
आज की विनर कौन है?
आज की विनर थी मीरा और उसका टैलेंट था तो कि वो हर फ्लैग जानती थी और वो आई थिंक उसकी मॉम फ्लैग दिखा रही थी और वो उससे भी फास्ट थी। सो आई थिंक दैट वाज रियली नाइस। So I really, and what I liked about her was she kept saying, thank you ma'am, so she was really cute. Thank you.
हेलो हाय नमस्ते, मेरा नाम स्माइली सूरी है, मैं एक एक्ट्रेस हूँ। गोल्ड स्टार इंडिया मेरा स्कूल है, वो डांसिंग सिखाती हूँ। ये इवेंट औरतों के लिए और वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट के लिए और बच्चों के लिए बहुत अच्छा था। वेन्यू इज अमेजिंग। एसोरा जो एक बहुत ही अच्छा होस्ट था और नाइट एंड डे जो बच्चों के लिए था, बच्चों के जो घर पे बैठे हुए हैं और उनके टैलेंट 5 साल के बच्चों से लेकर 11 साल के बच्चों की उम्र तक की हिडन टैलेंट्स बाहर निकालना, हमें नहीं पता था कि बच्चे को टैलेंट हो सकते हैं। तो पूजा और श्रेया ने जो मिलकर काका चोरी मूवमेंट और जो श्रेया की जो कंपनी है मिलकर उन्होंने ये जो किया बच्चों के लिए, आई थिंक इट वाज अ ग्रेट इवेंट। और इस इवेंट के मैं श्वेता और अदिति जजेस थे एंड वी आर सो हैप्पी टू बी पार्ट।
फ्यूचर के लिए कुछ मैसेज देना चाहोगे?
मैं बस यही मैसेज देना चाहूँगी कि हमें ना बहुत अच्छा बचपन मिला था। इस लॉकडाउन की वजह से बच्चों को उस तरह का बचपना नहीं मिला है। मैं यही कहूँगी कि बच्चों को और खेलने कूदने और डांस करने को पेरेंट्स फोर्स ना करें। उनको ज़रूरी नहीं क्लासेस ज्वाइन करवाएं। हमने कोई क्लासेस नहीं ज्वाइन की थी, पर घर बैठे क्योंकि हमारा माहौल ऐसा था, हम पेड़ चढ़ जाते थे, हम बिल्डिंग में खेलते थे। आप ऐसे खेलेंगे बट कंपटीशन लेवल कम रखें।
आज की विनर को लेकर क्या कहना चाहोगे?
आज की विनर बहुत क्यूट थी, मिहिरा मिहिका बहुत ही क्यूट थी और दोनों लड़के